Milk Frother Handheld, FKANT electric mixer milk foamer, USB rechargeable drink foam maker with 2 stainless whisks, and 3-speed adjustable blender for cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate. Creamy froth in seconds and easy to clean, powered by an upgraded motor. The FKANT electric milk frother quickly turns your milk or cream into a smooth frothy foam in seconds. It is a perfect foam maker for coffee, latte, cappuccino, matcha, hot chocolate and any other frothed milk.And. You just simply clean the milk foamer by rising the wand under the running water after washed collected in the dry place. The milk blender is the best gift for people who love life. USB rechargeable ultra-long standby time. Our upgraded electric milk frother allows you to change batteries without frequently. Unlike other battery-operated frothers, this electric mixer has built-in a rechargeable 1200 mAh lithium battery, letting you charge anywhere without hassle battery replacement. A single charge can support 180 using times. 3 adjustable speed, 3 whisking speeds allow you to choose a proper speed, low, medium, high, to get your desired amount of foam. Simply press the button to turn on. No need to keep pressing the button while the milk frothing. The speed control system is a cycle setting, first level, off second level, off third level, off. 2 stainless steel whisks, equipped with 2 high-quality stainless steel whisks. Cleaning will be a snap just placing the rod under the running water. The ballon whisk can be used as egg beater to whip eggs or heavy cream. The milk whisk is perfect for making cappuccino, latte, bulletproof coffee, hot chocolate. According to the size of the container, you can choose whisk or ballon whisk to achieve better milk frother effect. Noise-free operation, kitchen happiness. The low-noise motor barely makes a sound and keep your morning calm and peaceful while you are. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.